In today's video I'll make a review about this Hungary 2024 Euro jersey. As you can see, it looks really nice. It's the away white jersey, but Hungary played only in this one during the Euro, so I bought it and I'll show it to you. So first of all, let's start with the front of the jersey, with the chest. Here you can see this number with the original font, number 10, and you can see also the badge embroidered, the Adidas badge on the middle of the chest, and the Hungarian national team badge. This is size M, and this one only has a fun version, so it's a normal fit. Now let's go to the three stripes on the shoulder of the jersey. It really looks amazing. As you can see, this one has no Euro badges, but I reviewed two jerseys. The next one will have. This is Aero Ready technology, and what I like the most are these three stripes on the side of the jersey. It looks really amazing. Now let's go to the back of the jersey, because again you can see this original font, which looks pretty, and it's really amazing that they can make any original font, like with these little dots and stripes and everything, and also the letters are the original font. As you can see, it looks amazing again, and even the small details are well made on this jersey, like these letters on the neck, and again every color, every detail, like it's really like on the original jersey. This would be all about this jersey, and the next jersey is number 31. Again, everything almost the same, the badge embroidered, but every detail is embroidered really nice. The badge also, the three stripes, and this is not black, it's a really dark green. And now the badges, it's a really soft material, the badge, like I really like it. And again, size M. As you can see, nothing too special about it. This badge, which is on every UEFA competition team, and the street stripes again, the Aero Ready technology, and the back of the jersey. I'm still amazed by how cool this number is, like with this font. It's one of the best things about this website, that you can order with the original font, because you don't have to do it at home with, I don't know, a local printer who only has one font. So this is the best thing, and I would order again, because everything was really nice, the shipping, everything, the jerseys. And also don't forget, if you use my invitation code to create your account, you can get $5 off from your first order. Thank you, goodbye.